Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering the controller and PC. Check battery level and plug in if needed. Turn on Bluetooth on your PC or get a USB cable for wired pairing. This avoids wireless drops. Install necessary drivers, Windows Update, Steam, or the controller maker so the system recognizes the device. Once done, put the controller into pairing mode using its specific button combo. Make sure the indicator flashes. This immediate start prevents later confusion and makes the next steps smooth and fast. You now pair and configure. Open Bluetooth settings and select the controller when it appears. If it doesn't, toggle Bluetooth off/on then retry. For wired connections, confirm the controller shows under Device Manager as an HID-compliant device. Install drivers if missing. Once connected, launch Steam Big Picture or a mapping tool to set button layout and dead zones. This ensures accurate input and comfortable play. Make adjustments while testing in a simple game or controller tester, so sensitivity and triggers feel right. You finish by validating. Open a game and confirm vibration, analog axes, and button responses respond correctly. If inputs lag or drop, repair the controller and try a different USB port or Bluetooth dongle. Make sure firmware is up to date. Once done, save profiles in Steam or your mapping app. If problems persist, reset the controller per manufacturer steps and reattempt pairing. This often clears pairing corruptions. Troubleshooting tip: swap cables and ports first because connection hardware causes most failures.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.